Okay. So today we will discuss our next practical, that is soundness test of cement. So aim of the experiment is to verify soundness of cement by Lee-Chatelier apparatus method. So in this case we will discuss two things. One is soundness, what is soundness, and what is, we will discuss something about Lee-Chatelier apparatus. So soundness is the property of the cement by which it changes its volume after setting. So this is very important property. So we should check the soundness before in construction work. Oh, okay. So next is our Lee-Chatelier apparatus. So you can see here the Lee-Chatelier apparatus. It consists of one brass cylinder. The thickness is 0.5 mm and the diameter is 30 mm. The height is 30 mm. Then two glass plate. Okay, and indicator is like that. Okay. So the length of the indicator is 165 mm. So we need a Lee-Chatelier apparatus, a glass plate, two numbers, one trowel with one measuring cylinder, one lead weight. So let me explain in brief what is lead weight. Lead weight is like this. Okay, it is put over the top glass plate, and I will show during experiment process. Okay, so one is tray, balance, water bath, and stopwatch. So let's discuss about the procedure in brief. So procedure is, we will take 50 gram of cement, we will add 0.78 pW amount of water. What is P? P is the normal consistency of the cement and W is the weight of the cement. We will prepare the mix, we will fill the mix in the brass cylinder, and we will put the two glass plate like here, and we will put our lead weight here, so that it will remain stable. Okay, then we will cure it for 24 hours and measure L1. What is L1? After 24 hours, we will measure the distance between the gap between these two indicators. Okay, that is L1. After some time, after this step, we will do it. We will put this system in the water bath. We will boil it, and then we will measure the L2. The time is 3 hours. Okay, for water bath. So we will measure the L2. What is L2? Again, L2 is the gap between these two indicators after water bath and cooling process. So we will got two terms, L1 and L2. So L2 minus L1 is, if it is greater than 10 mm, then our cement is unsound. So for soundness purpose, L2 minus L1 should always be less than equal to 10 mm. Okay, let's do the practice. So we have taken 50 gram of cement. Before taking the weight, first we put the pen here, then make it 0, then we have taken 50 gram of cement. So let's start the practical. So we have taken 50 gram of cement and we have taken 0.78 pW amount of water, that is near 13 ml. Okay, so we will add this and we will mix this water uniformly with this cement. Now we will put the mixture here. First putting the mixture, you have to ensure that there is a glass plate below the brass cylinder. Then you have to put like this, and we will put the mixture in between that. Then what we will do, we will put our top glass plate here in our lead weight on the top glass, or let it cure for 24 hours. Okay, so we will cure it for 24 hours here while putting the arrangement. Weight is provided. Okay, so we will cure it for 24 hours and measure the distance between these two indicators after curing is complete. You can see the indicators. Okay, measure the end distance between these two indicators. Okay, that is L1. So after 24 hours, we will water bath it for 3 hours and measure the distance, that is L2. Then we will find the soundness value or the cement is sound or unsound, we can find out that. Okay. So after 24 hours, we will remove the arrangement from curing, and we will measure the distance between indicators. You can see the cement is already hardened. You can see it is already hardened. So we will measure the distance between our indicators. Okay. This is 1 cm. Nearly 1 cm. That is 0.9 cm. Okay. This is 0.9. Now we will boil this arrangement for 3 hours to again mark the distance between these two indicators. Okay. So we will put it in water bath and boil it for 3 hours. We have started the water bath. Okay, now let it boil for 3 hours. We will now let it boil for 3 hours. Okay. Now after 3 hours, we will remove our arrangement from the water bath. Now all of you can see our arrangement. We will remove this. Now we will measure the distance between two indicators. This is 0.8 mm. So earlier our L1 was 0.9 mm. Now after removing the system from the water bath, we will measure the distance between two indicators. Let's find out. So our value is, you can see that is 1 cm. So earlier it was 0.9 mm. Now it is 1 cm. So L2 minus L1 is 0.1 mm. That defines our cement is sound. Okay. Thank you.